The topic of today's video is how to connect Jira to n8n. So here we are on n8n, and what we're going to do is we're going to go to create workflow, and we are on the overview tab. And in here we want to click on add first step, and we can set Jira up as the trigger. Search for Jira over here, and here you'll see all the available triggers. So choose any one that you want. And upon choosing a trigger, you will be able to input your Jira credentials. So just click select credential and then create new credential. Now here on connections, what we want to do is put in our Jira email, our Jira domain, and then we need to create an API token. So we're going to jump over to Jira, and here in Jira, we want to go to the settings tab on the top right, scroll all the way down to user management. And that is going to open up this tab here. In here, we're going to click on settings. And then we want to click on API keys on the left. Click on create your API key. You can choose API key with scopes or without scopes. We'll do with scopes for this video. Type in the name of your API key. Will usually just be what it opens or its function. It'll give you an expiry date and you will click next. Here you can add your scopes. And when you're done there, click next. And there we have our API key. So we want to click on create. And what you want to do is you want to copy your API key here. Make sure to save it somewhere because once you click done, you won't be able to see it again. And then we'll just paste that into n8n. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. When you're done, just click on save. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.